Man on Wheels, and I'm Girish, and today I am at Udupi. Udupi is about 3 kilometers, and the reason for me to be here is to take delivery of the all-new. And here we come, we are almost reaching the showroom. You take a U-turn here, and then to our left-hand side would be the Hero showroom, and Ujwal will be there. And I think our Sachin Bhai Shutterbox Films also should be there. Let's go. A little further onto our left is the Hero showroom. And here is the all-new Hero showroom, which just got opened. And here we are. Yes, there it is. It's getting prepared. So here we are at Shetty Hero, and yeah, so Ujwal is getting his all new motorcycle today. We'll tell you what is that. By now you would have guessed it, but again, just keeping it a little suspense. And yeah, so Sachin has come on his Hayabusa, Shreyas has got his Himalayan, I was riding the TVS Ronin. So we'll go and now show you what's the new ride for Ujwal. Let's get in and unveil which motorcycle. Oh, ये bike को तो नहीं open है? Splendor Plus. Splendor Plus. Splendor Plus. XPulse. Splendor Plus. So it's yet to be unveiled. Let's wait. For week.
Can I start? The reality channel now.
Reality
Urgent bro, anjog. Hello. Anjog bro bade. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವೈಡ್ Congratulations! So, good on the bike. Two-layer monthly. Open it. Let's put it out.
So just finished the delivery of the all-new XPulse Rally Edition for Ujwal. So congratulations, and many more rides to go with Valley Riders. So can't wait to get this on the trail very soon.
Soon, very soon we'll go on trails and not rides on this because highway it's boring. It's only for trails.
So we have anyway discovered a lot of trails.
Yes.
And now it's just part of getting this up and running on that.
We are importing a XPulse and Impulse for Girish and Nasoon. We are importing. So guys.
So that's it for this video. Until the next video, stay tuned. Keep it rolling. Bye bye.